How to increase credit limit in Amazon Pay Later. Let's get started. First up, you can apply these tips so that you will be able to increase your credit limit in your Amazon Pay Later. Ensure you always pay your bills on time. A good payment history can possibly impact your credit limit increase request. Avoid maxing out your credit limit. Keeping your credit utilization low can improve your chances of getting a higher limit. Providing accurate and updated income information can help demonstrate your ability to manage a higher credit limit. Now, heading towards increasing your credit limit in Amazon Pay Later, launch the Amazon app on your mobile device, or also you can head towards the website and log into your account. Once logged in, from the main menu, go to the Amazon Pay section, then select Amazon Pay Later. Check your current credit limit and usage details displayed on the screen. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for a credit limit increase. This may include a good payment history, sufficient income, and usage patterns. Click on the Request Increase button or similar option. Submit any required documents such as proof of income, bank documents, or employment details as requested by the app. Wait for the app to review your request. You will be notified once your request is processed. Once approved, check your new credit card limit in the app. Following these steps, you will be able to increase credit limit in Amazon Pay Later. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.